Let's start with the first study, and this is a study highlighting the adequacy of Hill's science product and comparing it with some raw food diets. And this first study has some serious limitations. First of all, the owners could choose either of the diets or use both diets, since many owners were concerned that their dogs were sensitive and reactive to certain animal proteins. Also, the studied dogs were client-owned and not living in a controlled environment, which made it impossible to control all other possible foods that were given to the dog. So we have a study here that has two major limitations. The first one is that owners could actually choose which diet would be suited to their dogs. And the second one is that it was impossible to control the dog's environment, as these dogs were living with their guardians. So the people from the study couldn't possibly know what the dog was eating outside office hours. And this, in my opinion, makes the whole thing redundant, because if you cannot control the environment and if you cannot police what the dogs are eating and doing, then what are we actually doing? What are we actually measuring? And with the results we get, how can we possibly do anything of importance or significance? We can't. And it's very important that you understand how control environments work.